Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Building Trusted Data Foundations for Generative AI. I am Madhumita, a product professional passionate about artificial intelligence and data management. Thank you for joining me as we delve into a topic that's crucial for the future of AI, building trusted data foundation for generative AI. Generative AI has been making waves across industries, from creating art and music to drafting articles and even coding. But behind these impressive capabilities lies a fundamental requirement: high quality, trusted data. Without it, the potential of generative AI and AI remains untapped and the risk can outweigh the benefits. In this episode, I will explore why building a trusted data foundation is essential, the challenges involved, and strategies to overcome them. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a data professional, or someone curious about the evolving landscape of AI, this discussion is for you. So let's get started. First, let's unpack the generative AI is all about. Generative AI refers to algorithms that can generate new content by learning patterns from your data. This includes text, images, music, and even synthetic data. Models like GPT-3, Dale are prime examples, capable of creating human-like text and realistic images, respectively. These technologies are transferring these technologies are transforming how we approach creativity, problem solving, and automation. They empower businesses to create personalized marketing campaigns, generate innovative product designs, and automate customer service interactions. Researchers leverage generative AI to accelerate drug discovery, develop new materials, and model complex systems. Artists and creators use these tools to explore new forms of expression and push the boundaries of their craft. But it's important to remember that the effectiveness of these models heavily depends on the data they're trained on. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. So, what makes data trusted in this context? It boils down to accuracy, reliability, and ethical sourcing. Trusted data ensures that the AI models perform as intended without unintended biases or errors. For example, imagine you are training a generative AI model on a medical data to assist in diagnosis. If the training data is inaccurate or biased towards certain demographics, the AI's recommendation could be misleading and even harmful. So let's dive into understanding further the importance of trusted data foundation. Why is a trusted data foundation so critical for generative AI? Firstly, data quality directly impact the output of AI models. If the training data contains biases or inaccuracies, the AI will likely reproduce, even amplify them. Consider the case of a chatbot trained on biased social media data. It might inadvertently generate offensive or discriminatory responses, damaging the reputation of the organization deploying it. Secondly, regulatory compliance is becoming increasingly stringent. With laws like GDPR and CCPA, organizations must ensure that their data practices meet legal standards to avoid hefty fines and reputational damage. Thirdly, trust is essential for user adoption. If end users doubt the integrity of AI generated content, they're less likely to use or accept it. This is essentially true in sensitive sectors like healthcare, finance, and legal services. A financial institution using generative AI for fraud detection needs to ensure its models are trained on reliable data to provide to avoid false positives or negatives and provide a highly accurate response which could have otherwise had severe financial consequences. Therefore, building a trusted data foundation is just not a technical requirement, it's a strategic imperative. Organizations that prioritize data quality, governance, and ethics will be better positioned to harness the full potential of AI and generative AI, drive innovation, and gain a competitive edge. Now, let's dive into challenges in building trusted data foundations. Building this foundation isn't without its challenges. It's discuss some of the key obstacles. So here are some of those. Data quality issues. Collecting large volumes of data easier than ever, but quantity doesn't equal quality. Incomplete, outdated, or erroneous data can mislead AI models. For example, a marketing team might have a vast database of customer information, but if it is riddled with typos and outdated contact details, it's of little use for generating personalized campaigns. Data silos. Organizations often store data in isolated systems, making it difficult to achieve a unified view necessary of comprehensive AI training. Imagine a manufacturing company with separate data systems for production, sales, and customer service. Without integrating these silos, it's challenging to gain insights into entire customer journey, limiting the potential of AI-driven improvements. Bias and fairness. Data can unintentionally include societal biases if not addressed. AI models may perpetuate discrimination or unfair practices. A well known example is facial recognition systems trained on predominantly white faces, leading to lower accuracy of people of color. Privacy concerns. Handling personal or sensitive data requires strict adherence to privacy laws. Balancing data utility with privacy is a complex task. Security risks are other big problem. Cybersecurity threats can compromise data integrity, leading to mistrust and potential legal issues. Scalability. As data volume grows, so do the challenges in managing and processing it efficiently. An e-commerce platform dealing with millions of transactions daily needs scalable data infrastructure to support real-time AI-powered product recommendations. Addressing these challenges require a multifaceted approach involving technology, processes, and people. Now let's dive into strategies for building trusted data foundations. We saw the challenges, now what strategies you can use. Let's explore that. Implement, first of all, implement a robust data governance. Establish policies, procedures that define how data is collected, stored, processed, and accessed. Assign data stewards to oversee data quality and compliance. A clear data governance framework ensures everyone in the organization understands their responsibilities regarding data, minimizing errors, and ensuring compliance. Ensure data quality. Use data cleansing validation tools to detect and correct inaccuracies. Regular audit can help maintain data integrity over time. Data profiling And automated validation rules can identify inconsistencies and errors, preventing them from propagating into AI models, especially in the data pipelines and how the data is collected and generated. Generated means transformed and things like that. Break down data silos. So utilize data integration technologies like ETL, extract, transfer, load, processes, or data virtualization to create a unified data landscape. By creating a centralized data repository or a virtualized raw view of data, organizations can gain a 360-degree view of their operations, enabling more accurate AI insights. Address bias and fairness. Implement algorithms that detect, mitigate biases in databases or data sets. Encourage diversity in data sources to ensure a balanced representation. Techniques like rewarding or augmenting data can help reduce bias, while actively seeking diverse data sources ensures a more equitable representation of the real world data. Next, enhance privacy measures. Adopt techniques like data anonymization, encryption, differential privacy to protect sensitive information while retaining data quality and utility. Anonymization removes personal identifiable information while encryption protects data during storage and transmission. Differential privacy adds noise to data to prevent individual identification. Strengthen your security protocols such as multi-factor authentication, firewalls, regular security audits are very essential of a robust data secured strategy. Invest in scalable infrastructure, leverage cloud-based solutions that offer scalability and flexibility. Technologies like distributed computing can handle large data sets efficiently. Cloud platforms enable organizations to scale their data infrastructure on demand, ensuring they can handle increasing data volumes without performance bottlenecks. Regular training and communication about data um, Regular training and communication about best practices create a culture where everyone understands the value of data and its ethical implications. Now, let's dive into some case studies and success stories. To illustrate these strategies in action, let's look at some real world examples. First case study is about retail industry. A global retail company wanted to use generative AI to personalized marketing campaigns. They faced challenges with data silos and inconsistent customer data. By implementing a master data management system and improving data governance, they unified their data sources. This led to more accurate customer profiles and highly effective personalized marketing, increasing sales by 15%. Healthcare sector, a sector provider aimed to develop an AI model for early disease detection. Privacy concerns were important due to sensitive patient data. They adopted federated learning, allowing AI models to train on data locally without transferring patient information. This approach compiled with privacy regulations and improved diagnostic accuracy by 20%. Financial services, a leading bank wanted to use generative AI to enhance its customer service chatbot. However, initial version of chatbot produced biased and inappropriate responses due to the training data. By carefully curating and cleaning the training data, incorporating bias detection algorithms, the bank was able to create a chatbot that provided helpful and unbiased assistance to its customers. overall improving customer satisfaction scores significantly. These cases highlight how trusted data foundations enable organizations to leverage generative AI responsibly and effectively. Let's talk about now the future of trusted data in generative AI. Looking ahead, the importance of trusted data will only grow as a generative AI becomes more sophisticated. Emerging technologies like blockchain could offer new ways to ensure data integrity and traceability. Additionally, there will be increased collaboration between organizations and regulatory bodies to establish standards for data ethics and governance. By staying ahead of these trends, organizations can position themselves as leaders in the responsible use of AI. As I wrap up, it's clear that building a trusted data foundation is not just a best practice, it's a necessity for any organization looking to harness the power of generative AI. The examples we have discussed today show that investing in data quality, governance, and ethical considerations leads to significant benefits. It enhances AI performance, ensure compliance and regulations, and builds trust with users. I encourage all of you to take a closer look at your data strategies and answer these questions. Are you investing enough in data quality and governance? How are you addressing privacy and bias concerns? What steps can you take today to start building or improving your trusted data foundation? Feel free to reach out if you have any questions on LinkedIn or you need any guidance on implementing these strategies. Again, thank you for listening and joining me on this session, deep dive topic into building trusted data foundation for generative AI. If you found this episode valuable, please subscribe to my newsletter on LinkedIn and follow me for future content. And also, do me a favor, share it with your network. And yeah, that's all about. Until next time, stay curious and keep moving. Thank you.